Thank you for visiting our corporate gifting page. We understand that ordering gifts for multiple recipients can be a scary process. Good news! We're excited to offer a new ordering tool that's quick and easy while providing a custom gift experience for your clients, family, and friends. So follow along here as we walk you through placing an order. Let's get started by clicking the Start Gifting button, where you'll be directed to our gift store. Once here, you will select the product or products you have chosen for your recipients and add them to your cart. Step 2 will be deciding if you would like to send e-gifts or ship directly to your recipients. One thing to note here, you must choose one or the other. The program does not allow mixed delivery options. However, if you need to send e-gifts to some and ship directly to others, you can simply place 2 orders. To send e-gifts to your recipients, check the e-gift box, then choose whether to send it now or schedule it for a later date. Once you've made your scheduling selection, navigate down to choose your digital card. We have several card options, but feel free to upload a logo and customize a digital card of your own. Don't forget to complete the From block and leave your recipients a gift note. You can click the box underneath if you would like to leave customized messages for individual recipients. Next, you'll add your recipients. The system allows you to add up to 100 recipients, and you can add them in 2 different ways. Here, you'll manually add each recipient along with their email address. Or here, if you would like to upload your list with a spreadsheet. It's so easy. Just download the template, enter the recipient information, save it as a CSV file, then upload it. If all your recipients are getting the same item, you will create one list. If you are sending different items to different recipients, you can create a new list within the same order. After you have all of your recipients entered, click Continue to Payment, where you will be led to the Payment and Summary screen to enter your contact and payment information. Then click Review, make sure everything looks good, then click Pay Now to submit your order for processing. Creating orders to ship directly to recipients is the same process as the e-gifting, with one difference. When you add the recipients, you will enter their physical address instead of their email address. We hope this tutorial is helpful. However, if you have questions at any time during the ordering process, please feel free to contact our customer service team by email at corporate@pearsonfarm.com or by phone at 888-423-7374. Our customer service team is available to answer questions that you have regarding products or the order process. They are also happy to assist with larger or more custom orders.